shit that I can't control. Like I got stick drift all over the road of life. Trying to find my way home. Shit, I'm living out the beamer. I can't stay here long. No, I got the drive. I'm on the time. I know it's time to spread my wings and fly so high. And I'm alive like never before. Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep. Yeah. Moving on.
About time. I thought class ended hours ago. Where you been?
Oh, I need your help. Which color palette speaks more to you?
You're the artist. You choose.
Long day?
Not at all. I'm drinking to celebrate my funeral.
I'm detecting some sarcasm.
You're detecting a lot of sarcasm, so just do me a favor and let me drink in peace tonight, okay? What did I just say?
Who knows? But what I do know is you've been on an alcohol cleanse for months. What gives? You didn't forget to wear a condom, did you?
What? No!
Good, because I am too young to be an auntie.
You know what?
Then what is it? It's about that letter that came in this morning, isn't it? Talk to me.
Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, it's never enough? Like, there's a flag at the finish line, and every time you reach for it, it moves?
I think that's just called being in your 20s.
Seriously. I feel like I'm living two different lives. Like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, minus the serial killing.
Yeah.
There's the top of her class, law student version of me, who my dad loves. Mm-hmm. And the messy musician me, who I love. And every time I try to make them both fit, I lose both. You know, I got a D on my civic procedure exam. Me. Mo, a D. My grades are tanking. I'm on academic probation. And I lost my scholarship. And now I have to come up with $12,000 before the semester is over. If my dad finds out, I can hear him now. Amèlie, how could you let this happen? When I was your age, I had to walk 10 miles to school. Do you know how much it costs to get a decent education in this country?
Yeah, your dad is crazy. You remember that time he did a smoke cleanse from the church because he caught you smoking weed?
Don't remind me. I thought he'd see me for who I am by now.
And there's a chance he might not.
Jeez! Is this a pep talk?
Look, I know it's not what you want to hear, but look at it this way. if he can't see you for who you really are, then as long as you stay true to yourself, isn't that all that matters? Okay, so, maybe I'm out of my depth here, but I don't know. You know, I've never been too keen on the whole family thing. Sperm donor left my mom and me when I was 7 for another woman. Been a shitstorm ever since. Anyways, it's parents are selfish. And just because they made you doesn't mean they own you. Feel me?
Yeah. But he's still my father. And who else is going to pay for all of our stuff?
Whose stuff? He don't pay for my stuff.
Oh, so that wasn't you collecting his check last month for rent?
Okay, maybe once or twice. But my art pays for my half. Thank you.
Well, he pays for all of my stuff.
Exactly. So, let me put you on some game. Rule number 1, stop financially depending on other people. Rule number 2, yeah. Find you a job that pays.
I have a job, remember?
Yeah, I said that pays.
A gig is a gig.
And how much is this gig at dues paying you?
108.
Huh? What was that?
It pays $100 a night to perform.
$100 a night in this economy. Girl.
You're right. I can't pay my tuition with that. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so wait. How much is in your savings?
Savings? I'm in law school, Mo. I ain't got no savings. I'm broke.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to start selling feet pics on OnlyFans.
Let's get back to that. Yeah.
Crap. What time is it? I have to be at Deuce in an hour. I'm a wreck.
Come on. Let me take care of that. Come on. Come on. Thank you.
What would I do without you? My girlfriend.
Girl, I need to do your hair. Stop moving. My goodness. You're right. This still keeps falling off. Oh, what's that?